Rockers, Joe Kane here from Joe Rocks Coronado. Today we went out to the flower fields in Carlsbad, and it was amazing. And of course, me loving to hide painted rocks, I brought one with me. And so the one I brought, it's a sun rock that I painted a while back, and so I found an interesting spot to put it next to this giant chicken, and put it at the base there, took a picture and posted it on Facebook, and maybe someone will go find that and collect it, or maybe it'll just sit there, I don't know, as part of the Carlsbad flower fields display of their giant chicken. Who knows? Anyway, here's the rock that I did. As you can see, it has a quote from Columbus on there. And here's some pictures of the flower field. And thanks for tuning in to all the subscribers that have subscribed so far to the YouTube channel, and keep with me on Facebook and Instagram at Joe Rocks Coronado.